Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create new accounts in Township. Whether you are aiming to start a new account or manage multiple towns, I'm going to walk you through a guide that will help you create a new account in Township. The first thing you need to do is to decide on your device strategy. Use a different device. So if you have access to another smartphone or tablet, you can install Township there and start a new game without affecting your existing town. And then to have multiple towns on the same device, you need to create a new user profile. And here's how to do it. So for Android users, just go to your device's settings, scroll down and select users and account. Tap on add user and follow the prompts to set up a new user profile. Then switch to the new user profile, download and install Township from the Google Play Store, launch the game, and you start with a brand new town. Now for iOS doesn't support multiple user profiles on the same device. So to manage multiple towns, consider using a different device with third-party apps like Parallel Space or Dual Space. However, be cautious as these apps may not be officially supported and could pose security risks. So another step that you can definitely consider is to link your new town to a separate account. So to ensure your new town's progress is saved and doesn't interfere with your existing town, just link it to a different account. So open Township for Android users, tap on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, so the three hamburger menu, and click on the gear icon. So from here, go ahead and select Google Play. So Google Play is not here because I already signed in with Google Play, right? But if you did not, then you're going to see Google Play from the options. Just select Google Play and log in with a different Google account than the one you used for your original town. So you see that okay, these are my player achievements and these are the player info. So click here, you see the Google Play is not really, so that's save progress. Okay, so click on save progress, that's it, and sign in to save progress. So you can just go ahead and click on sign in with Google, and once you sign in with Google, just use the prompts from there and sign into different accounts. Then alternatively, you can connect to a different Facebook account by selecting Facebook in the settings from there. Okay, for iOS, just open Township, tap on the gear icon in top left corner to access settings, click the game center and log in with a different Apple ID than the one you used for your original town. Alternatively, you can connect to a different Facebook account by selecting Facebook in settings. So that's pretty much it. So with your new account set up and linked, you're all set to build your dream town from the ground up, dive into farming, construct buildings, and engage with your new community. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.